look. Him come back. And I see the house I go up. Yes, like our airline take off. So I say, but wait. I never booked a flight, so I have to come off of this flight.
Well, I never experienced nothing like this yet. Nothing from me born till now. No, sir. I never see this yet. The wickedest one I ever see pass through. I'm from Petersville. My wife live at Crawford. Come from Crawford, so we travel boat then. We didn't have one piece of concrete for my building. But all of the boat gone.
Thank God that our life has been spared, that is the greatest. And we can pick up our pieces and start back all over again.
And I say, when he start, and he come from that side and take that side and make so, he left me house, he left him out. It's when he go back to the reverse, Lord God. He said, well, where you go? He take off his side and gone with it.
I'm 75-year-old and I've never seen this in my life before. I've experienced some sound, but not like this one. And as it is right now, it's coming like the whole place turning desolation.
There's a lady from Salva, call and say on the hill. No house is not on the hill from there. So now me dead, from me I say, oh my God, what going down from the flat now? So I just tell my employer, say, no, tomorrow me fi catch. Let me fi beg you drive, peace, till me reach me, I fi go. So that's how we have me do it yesterday. And the bus.
All right, God, those are the things. I go just make clothes and me find back in my garbage bag. Me I try wash them out so me can get something to put on. Me a disaster. Right now me tell some glad we live this. But now I take it so serious. I'm glad to live in me and my family. Everybody is up right now. And my mother me stress up because me can't get through spot.
On the side of the riverbank, it's over there. When you go by a lady, no rescue. When everybody ready, we are last when we turn back. No stove, no fridge, no television, nothing. Everything, not even internet service we have. No help. If me cut one banana, me share. I can cut one piece of pumpkin if we have the enough eat this. See that piece of saltfish to roll up for me, I can't do right now. For over 4 days, I don't have a proper meal right. I tell you that what is true.
The sky broke open like a heavy sigh. Waves kissed the land and whispered goodbye. Homes once steady, now lean, now cry. The earth remembers, the scars will stay, but hearts of steel don't fade away. Oh, Jamaica, oh, my land, hold the mountains, hold the sand through the winds that tore us down. We rise, we rise without a sound. Coconut trees now bow their heads low. Streets where the shadows of what they know. Laughter stolen, but seeds still grow. The storm may howl, but we remain a people built to bear the pain. Oh, Jamaica, oh, my land, hold the rivers, hold my hand through the
The sky broke open like a heavy sigh. Waves kissed the land and whispered goodbye. Homes once steady, now lean, now cry. The earth remembers, the scars will stay, but hearts of steel don't fade away. Oh, Jamaica, oh my land, hold the mountains, hold the sand, through the winds that tore us down. We rise, we rise without sound. Coconut trees now bow their heads low. Streets where the shadows of what they know. Laughter stolen, but seeds still grow. The storm may howl, but we remain a people built to bear the pain. Oh, Jamaica, oh my land, hold the rivers, hold my hand, through the winds that tore us down. We rise, we rise without a without a sound. The winds came roaring like a beast untamed. The sea rose high and whispered names of homes and dreams washed out to sea. Jamaica, oh Jamaica, where will you be? Oh, Melissa, you stole the sky, left us with tears, no answers why, but still we stand, we hold the land, Jamaica strong. We'll rise again. Banana trees bend low, then gone. The mangoes scattered, the hills withdrawn. Children cry,
sky broke open like a heavy sigh. Waves kissed the land and whispered goodbye. Homes once steady, now lean, now cry. The earth remembers, the scars will stay, but hearts of steel don't fade away. Oh, Jamaica, oh my land, hold the mountains, hold the sand, through the winds that tore us down. We rise, we rise without sound. Coconut trees now bow their heads low. Streets where the shadows of what they know. Laughter stolen, but seeds still grow. The storm may howl, but we remain a people built to bear the pain. Oh, Jamaica, oh my land, hold the rivers, hold my hand, through the winds that tore us down. We rise, we rise
strap down and pin down the edge of the zinc because I hear that it's a terrible storm is coming and it lead up to category 5. So I do all my best, strap and tie down and sit it as the end them of the zinc very protected. And we turn to the house and the storm come. The small amount come and gone. So me did take I just storm that. When we take a stock, that's just a sample that we get. And then coming back now, powerful more and force more. And begin to lift up the horse like a yanty car jam and ram it down back 2 times and then he push it off a block. And then he went away. And when he went away, I take a Luba right on that side, I put on the side with ice up in the ear. So he keep down the horse. And when we look, he come back. And I see the horse go up. Yes, like our airline take off. So this is not wait. I never booked a flight, so I have to come out for this flight. And I went out through the back door, a 3-plane back door to come out through. Yes! And I run to my nearest neighbor. I run into the strongest house. Yeah, that's all I could do. Everything left, I couldn't run with nothing. For 2 minutes done, look after the house done, do a full repair, chop top and set up because when it says storm, you have to have a firm top. So the storm couldn't move the top. So I say, alright then, this house is very strong. So you cannot move, but I'm going to take up everything then. And that's what the storm did with me.
How you felt when you saw it, the whole story?
When time I saw the house going, when time I see the first one going off a block, my mind I tell myself to get themselves out of the house, get themselves out of the house. I could come out before the house lift up in the air. Before the house king cat, I could come out because I'm sitting there one with the pan block. When I just concrete and just put pan block where they buy block all, light posts, all those things, hardwood, and set up the house, the workshop. And when they see that come off, I say no. And when they see what happened to that they one day, it's half a block.
In terms of support, what kind of help would you need immediately?
A carpenter, I need some material on here to build back this college apartment house because the big one we went into, it was 22 by 12 and this one was 13 by 12, that's the wicker house. Yes, it was 13 by 12 house.
Right now, nothing no left. Nothing no left, man. Boy, we never experienced nothing like this yet. Nothing from me born till now. No, sir. We never see this yet. Wickedest one we ever see pass through. We're from Petersville. My wife live at Crawford. Come from Crawford, so we travel boat then. We didn't want a piece of concrete for my building. But all of the boat gone.
It's a setup of God. It's a disaster killing, and that's what it's done for all of us. We have to thank God that our life has been spared, that is the greatest, and we can pick up our pieces and start back all over. But I'm living in a little district in Hospital, just across from here.
And what's the impact over there like that?
Oh my God, devastating. That I was out here in the morning, which is about from 6 o'clock till about 10 o'clock on the Monday. And then so I've been getting some bulletin that there's some search will be coming. So I leave at 1:30 and I went to. And I slept very good in the night. And when I wake up in the morning, about 6 o'clock, 6:30, then believe you me, the trauma had begun. You understand me? I couldn't move. I stand in the house and it came from this direction, in the east direction. You understand me? And slam onto the top of the roof and remove that. Then it goes down the road. And after the mechanical spin and come and stick up the other race, and I could have just stayed one corner like this. I would just stay like this. There's no way I could move. There's no way I could move. One time I go down like this, I say it doesn't make sense because of anything may come and make a back. So I stay behind one of the posts inside the house. You understand? Everything flies from over the head. You see? I'm here to just stand up seeing me, can't do nothing at all.
start in the house, and we said, when he started and he come from that side and take that side and next him. He left me house, he left me about this when he go back to reverse. Oh God. He said, well, where you go? They take out this side and go with it. Me and some people underneath, man. If you say close fuck up and I do it up, I do it for you. I tell you do it. And I do it up, because we can't come out. Everything went up in there. Everything went up. All the best coach with that win there. The best coach will win that. They will be so like a river, they can't move. TV coach with the win that. Everything up when you see me start put them out there. So when they start focus to pull them every night, I give somebody to play. Me have half bag of rice, half bag for the two, and the 2 bag went up in the car. 3 top I can't see them come up. You went up. So look more, we have a couple of beef, a cookie. And we eat the can, go get 5 ice this morning. You me cook who come get?